the double piping, and we also have the under sink socket, where you can heat the water with the with the solar power. Yes.
So the okay, this double, because you have been talking about the double piping.
Yes.
Can you take us through kidogo too, so that our viewers can understand what is this double piping that you're talking about?
Double piping is where we have a concept. We have direct water from the water tanks to the kitchens, the washrooms, which is cold water. And we have the other pipe now coming from the solar water heater. We are going to install a 300-liter solar water heater. So you can have hot water and cold water. So when you are doing the taps, you're going to do a mixer tap. Which can mix cold and hot. So that one helps. If you want hot water, you'll have it at your kitchen. When you want cold water, that one helps mostly in the cold seasons and everything. Yes. This is our plumber. He's John.
Hi, plumber.
It's John Roge. He does all the plumbing. We can explain a bit of the double piping as we are going on. John, explain about
double piping, the hot and cold system. We have two lines. We have the cold piping. The one which is running on the right. On the right side,
it's cold.
It's cold. Here is the laundry area. This is the cold. The both of piping are the cold water. We don't have hot water here. For the downpipe, for the kitchen, is where we have the hot water is on the left, and the cold water on the right. This is the point of the, maybe we don't want to use the solar water. We can use the under sink heater. That's why I've provided another point here for the under sink heater for the kitchen. But for the other places like the washer, the basin, and the shower, you have the hot water from the solar.
Now, nice. That is great. And I can see you have done really great work.
Oh, thank you. This is the waste pipe for the wastewater for the kitchen.